Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you. I've been so busy. I've not made a video in like 2 months. But guess what? I'm gonna do a video today because I'm in Jamaica. And I'm here for an event, and I realized that I don't have any stand for my pastries because I do catering also. So I don't have any stand for my pastries, so I get to make some stand, and I'm gonna make a centerpiece. I find this in my local bells. So I see it, I'm like, this is something interesting, and now I get to use it because I'm gonna make a centerpiece for the birthday table. I'll be using the stand. I'll be using this bowl that I got from the dollar store. I will be spray painting the gold because the theme is going to be gold and white. So I'll be spray painting these gold. I'll be using the spray paint, gold spray paint, after I've put it together. Also be making a stand for the birthday cake. I got 2 of the candles ordered from the Dollar Tree, and I glued them together just for it to set. So I'd done that earlier on this morning. I'll be using this cotton board also from the dollar store to make my cake. And I will also be using this mat. It's like a mat for the kitchen. I'm gonna use this to make the border for my cake holder. All right, you will need your glue gun, glue sticks, and famous E6000. So good. It holds everything together. If you give it a chance to, it will hold it together for a long time. All right, I'm also gonna be using a round mirror from the dollar store. I'll be putting it on top here, so when I put my centerpiece and I put some flowers and some LED lights in it, it's gonna reflect on the mirror. All right, let's get started. We have everything that we need. Let's get started right here. First, I'm gonna do my cake stand because it's gonna take some time. So if you're new to my channel, I wanna say it's such a pleasure to have you joining me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, so that you don't miss out on all these phenomenal videos that I'm doing. You can see some of Jamaica. In a bit, I'm gonna show you the trees, coconut tree, and all that stuff that I have going on here in Jamaica. Such a beautiful country. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue my cutting board on top of my 2 candlesticks. I'll be using my E6000. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on top of the candlestick and the top here. I'll be using also the glue, hot glue, because the E6000 it takes some time to dry. So I'm gonna use some of the hot glue to keep it in place so it can just sit and dry. All right, I am gonna put the cutting board down so I can find the center, and then I'm gonna do it like this so it's in the middle, so it balances. When we put the cake on it or the cupcakes, we want it to balance, so we want to do that. All right, now I did find the center, so I'm gonna put some hot glue. So I did use the E6000 just to mark where I want to put my stand on top of the cutting board. When you do put the E6000 and the hot glue down, just hold on to it for a bit so that it stays in place. Because you don't want it to shift, you want it to stay in place. All right, now that my cutting board and my candlestick, they're all together, now I see where I'm going, because it does look like a cake stand now. So this idea is phenomenal. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mat. Thank you. So I'll be using the sink mat to make like a pattern. I'll call it like a drop pattern all the way around on my cutting board. So I'm gonna take there's like a little part here, I'm gonna take it off so that if we have the squares, it's like a pattern. So I'm gonna take this off. Please leave a small part of it so that it can glue to your cutting board. Because if we take everything off, we're not gonna have anything to hold on the cutting board. I'll be putting everything that I'm using in the link below. So if you're having an event and you just want to be creative, you can go ahead and make your own centerpieces and cake stand or cupcake stand. So everything will be in the link below. Also in the link below, I'm going to put my catering, everything that I do, catering, and some photos of what I already did, of caters, events that I already did. So if you're interested, you can give me a call. Gotta make sure they're both same size, because you don't want one long and one short. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm just like a little bit hoarse. So bread and butter, if I'm not talking loud enough, I do apologize, but my voice, I lost my voice. All right, bread and butter, how are you doing?
Hi.
So I have a little open space right here, so I'm gonna fit this right here. And this is my beautiful, this is my beautiful niece, Niara, because I'm in Jamaica, so this is my niece, Niara. Say hi, Niara.
Hi.
She's a cutie pie, isn't she? She likes when I'm making my project. She just want to come and she wants to be my assistant. She gets everything for me. All right, so here we go. A cake top. There we go. So using the sink mat and a cutting board and some candlestick, there we have a cake holder. All right, I'm gonna put this aside to dry. And for my second project, I'll be using this candlestick. It's large, but I need it for my centerpiece for the birthday. Sorry. first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the sticker off the glass. Alright, after getting my paper off, I'm gonna glue some So to put my valve on top of my Kangas stick, I did use the mirror, a round mirror, using the E6000 to glue it down, also some hot glue, so it stays in place. Yes, it in the center of the mirror. There's gonna be a little bit of hot glue on the E6000. So while you can just let it dry and then just clean it up. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some glitter on top of the glue. And while I was doing this, I thought about it, and I'm going to use my gold glitter just to jar and just add some more to it. All right, here we go. All right, so put in the LED light. I think it will pop the glitter, the gold glitter. Here's my final look. My cake stand and my centerpiece. I think they turned out beautiful. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you all for joining me for another one of my projects. It has been a pleasure having you. God bless you. Please be safe. Bye.